Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear students. Our class is phonics and spelling, and today's topic was long vowels. So in this brief review video, you would see page number 9 and 8 that we already took in our previous class. So page number 8, underline the spelling word in each row that rhymes with the word in bold type. So write the spelling word, underline. Here in the class we have circle, but you also have to circle and you have to write on the lines. Tide, bright, seed, greet, wave, shave, go, toe, rogue, yoke, need, lead, mind, grind, joke, oak, nice, spice, ripe, type, dream, theme, trade, paid, taste, paste, hoax, folks, beat, greed. And write part number B, write the missing letters to complete the spelling word. So coach, aim, heap, pray, growth. Moving to page number 9. So you can see long A spell A-I, paid, aim, and 3 for long A spell A-E, like paste, shave, long S spell E-Y, pray, and long E spell E-A or E-E, like greet, greed, lead, heap, and long E spell E-E, theme, long spell like Y or I, type, grind, long spell A-E, bright, spice, long O spell O, folks, yoke, long O spell O-A, coach, oak, and long O spell O-W, toe, growth. And homework, revise classwork. Inshallah, see you with a new review video in the next class. Till that time, goodbye.